Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be diving down into Shiba Inu. You heard that correct. We're going to be talking about the overall price action and when we're potentially looking for a move back up to the upside. So the big question is are you bullish or are you bearish whenever it comes to Shiba Inu? So if we dive down into the charts today, we're going to be taking a look at the daily, the 4-hour, and then diving down into the Fibonacci's. So if we go ahead and just take a look, you guys will see that Shiba Inu has technically been hovering around a key level area, and that is going to be the 0.02 area. All right, so 0.02. You guys can see that it has been playing as a key level support right here, and it plays at a key level support right here at this moment. We do have another key level area, which is probably going to be right around here at the 0.025 in my own personal opinion. So the 0.025 is a key level area whenever it comes to Shiba Inu. Now the overall trend, you guys can see that yes, technically we are bearish. Shiba Inu is starting to break to the downside. We have a strong sloping resistance just like Dogecoin, and every single time that we hit the sloping resistance here, the price action just kind of gets rejected and it sells off. And Shiba Inu has not had any signs of becoming bullish. We attempted to get a breakout here, we attempted a breakout here, attempted a breakout here, attempted a breakout here, and we have just failed multiple times. Now, whenever it comes to Shiba Inu, I will show you guys for the 200 EMA, this green squiggly line, that we have just been kind of fighting with it, and it has been pretty flat. But however, whenever the price action is below it, remember, ladies and gentlemen, that that is considered bearish. So Shiba Inu hitting a key level support right here at this moment. Now, I don't know why Shiba Inu actually stopped there. Maybe because the price action from way over here, it looks like that is correct. So if Shiba Inu happens to break down further below the 0.02 part, then we're going to be looking for another key level support. And it looks like it's not that much further to the downside. It looks like it's probably going to be right here at 0.018. That is what we're going to be looking for, okay? So 0.018 is probably going to be our next key level strong support for Shiba Inu, along with another one all the way down here at 0.015. So 0.015 is what we would be looking for. Now, do I think it's going to break down to that area? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure, because technically everything has been selling off pretty aggressively, especially whenever it comes to crypto. Not only that, guys, but even stocks. And Shiba Inu just happens to be breaking down from its all-time highs, right? All-time highs were way up here, okay? So our key level areas that we need to pay attention to is the 0.02, which we're backtesting right now. Then we got 0.018 and 0.015. If we go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour time frame, you guys are going to see there's not that much of a difference. We're just still kind of struggling here, and that is about it. You could technically say that Shiba Inu, like most other cryptos, actually has a long-term sloping resistance here as well, or a short-term sloping resistance. Okay, so in order for us to be bullish, Shiba Inu has to break back above these sloping resistances right here and the 200 EMA. I would say once we get past this 0.025, then Shiba Inu is going to be looking for a monster move to the upside, okay? And if we continue down, then obviously it's not going to be looking good at all. So big question, like I stated, are we bullish or are we bearish? Where are we headed? We go ahead and dive down into our Fibonacci levels. Let's see where we are at this moment. So we're going to go from a swing low and we're going to go to our swing high, which is way up here. So right now we are fighting the 786, which is this blue line, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we got to stay above it in order for us to be bullish. But right now, like I said, we got that massive sloping resistance, which looks super suspicious. So Shiba Inu, are we getting a reversal anytime soon, or are we going to continue down? If you guys will, leave some comments and let us know your opinion. Other than that, be on the lookout for some more videos. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you later, and ciao.